children, let us continue with our maths period. Yes, today we will continue with linear equation in two variable with part 7. So today will be our last part. Now we have already started with exercise 4.3, but from that exercise 4.3 question number 6 and question number 8, both the word problems are deleted. Yes, so these two questions will not be asked in your exam. Okay, so now we will start with the remaining sums of exercise 4.3. See the sum. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and the total fare as rupees y. Write the linear equation for this information and draw its graph. So let us understand first this sum. Yes, you always used to go by auto rickshaw. Do you observe for some distance that meter reading will remain same as rupees 18? Is it correct? And after that some kilometer, it will start increasing 18, 19, 20 and so on. Yes, in the same way here they have given the example as a taxi fare for first kilometer. So if you go for 1 kilometer, till 1 kilometer the fare will remain as what? Rupees 8. For 1 kilometer you have to pay 8 rupees. And for subsequent distance means what? For if you are going for 2 kilometer, how much you have to pay? Means after 1 kilometer and till 2 kilometer, you have to pay as the first kilometer charges as 8 and for the next 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer will be divided into 2. For first 1 kilometer rupees 8, for the second kilometer it is rupees 5. So total rupees 13 you have to pay. Similarly, if you are going for 5 kilometer, how much you will pay? In that, so for first kilometer, for 1 kilometer, you will pay rupees 8, that is fixed, correct? And for the remaining, now how many remaining kilometers are there? 5 minus 1, that is 4 kilometer. And for those 4 kilometer, 4, and for each kilometer it is 5. So 4 5s are 20 plus 8, 28 rupees you will pay. So now in general, if I want to frame the equation, how we will frame the equation? Now what is given? The total distance is given as x kilometer. Correct? So here we have taken 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 5 kilometer as example. So if the total distance covered is x kilometer and out of that x kilometer, the first 1 kilometer fare is given as rupees 8. Now what will be the fare for the remaining kilometers? Yes, for the remaining distance. For the remaining distance, how it will be? The total is x. Out of that, the first kilometer is 8. What are the remaining kilometer? It will become as what? X minus 1. Is it correct? For example, if there is 10 kilometer, out of that first kilometer, we will pay 8 rupees. And for remaining 9 kilometers, we will pay according to rupees 5 per kilometer. So the distance will come as x minus 1 and the fare per kilometer is rupees 5. Therefore, what will be the total fare for the remaining kilometers? It will become as x minus 1 into 5. Is it clear till here? Yes. Now, but the person is paying what? The total fare as y. Correct? We don't know the total fare also. So we will consider as y. So total fare will be what? Here the total fare will be for first kilometer. It is nothing but rupees 8. Yes. And then for the remaining kilometer, you can see over here as x minus 1 because total distance is x. So for the remaining, the first 1 kilometer is subtracted. So x minus 1 and per kilometer is rupees 5. So multiply by 5. But it is in the given question they have given as what? The total fare is given as y. So y equal to, just simplify this equation, 8 plus 5 into x is 5x minus 5. So we are getting the linear equation over here as y equal to 5x plus 3. So this is nothing but the linear equation in two variable. Now we have to represent graphically. Now we have already done such type of equations, how to plot it on a graph paper with the coordinates of points. So what is our first step? We have to draw the table and find the x and y coordinate which satisfy our equation. Correct? I have taken few examples over here. You can choose any other coordinates also. Okay, so first I have taken as x equal to 0. Now just substitute in your equation y equal to 5 into 0. Yes, y equal to 5 into 0 plus 3. So what you are getting the answer as 5 into 0 is 5 plus 3. So answer is 3. So you are getting your y coordinate as 3. So if your x is 0, your y value is 3 and your coordinates of point will become 0, 3. Now I have taken the second one as x is minus 1. Just substitute in the equation, what you will get? Y equal to 5 into minus 1 plus 3. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So you will get the y as minus 2. So we are getting the coordinates of points as minus 1, minus 2. Is it correct? Similarly, I have taken the second one is minus 3 upon 5. Or in a reverse way, if I take y as 0, what you will get? If y is 0, 0 is equal to 5x plus 3. So minus 3 is equal to 5x. So x will become as what? Minus 3.5. So if it is minus 3.5, what it will be in a decimal point? It will become minus 0.56 are 30. So minus 0.6. Now how to place the 0.6 on a number line? Yes, from 0 to 1. Each one point counts it as what? 0.1. So you take the sixth point as a 0.6. Is it correct? Yes. So now let us plot these points on a graph paper and find the solution. Can you see over here? This is a graphical interpretation of your question. Now this graph you can see over here. First point you can see here 0, 3, 0 on x-axis, y coordinate is 3. Then minus 3 upon 5. You can see this is actually a sixth point on your x-axis, negative side. Okay, so it is minus 0.6, 0, and you can find, if you can extend, you will get this point here as minus 1, minus 2. So these are the three coordinates of points, and if you join it, you will get the graphical representation of your equation, that is 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Hope this is clear to all of you. So the word problem is what? According to the given question, first you have to frame the equation. Second step, draw the table, find the coordinates of points, x coordinate, y coordinate, yes, which satisfy your equation. Plot those points on your graph paper. Join those points, you will get a straight line passing through all the points. Always remember, if it is a linear equation in two variable, if your coordinates are correct, always you will get a line which is passing through all these points. It is a property of linear equation. Is it clear? Yes. Let us see the second next sum now. The next one is Yamini and Fatima. Yes, what? Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th of a school, together contributed ₹100 towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. You may take their contributions as rupees x and y. Draw the graph of the same. Answer. So let us see, understand the sum. There are two persons, Yamini and Fatima. Both together they are contributing as what? ₹100. Correct? So here 100 means what? The contribution will be in any order. The total is 100. So it may be 10 plus 90, it may be 80 plus 20, it may be 50 plus 50, anyhow. Is it correct? So that's why what they have taken? They have taken the contribution of one person of Yamini's, if we consider as X, and then the Fatima's contribution we will consider as Y. But the total is equal to what? Total is 100. Let us see the answer now. Let the amount that Yamini and Fatima contributed be X and Y respectively towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Amount contributed by Yamini. This is as per your given condition. Amount contributed by Yamini plus amount contributed by Fatima. Total is 100. So what we will write it as an equation? Yes, X plus Y equal to 100. Is it correct? So our linear equation we got it as what? X plus Y equal to 100. Now what will be our next step now? Yes, we have to draw the table and find the coordinates of points. Now let us see. Now as per our equation, what is our equation? X plus Y equal to 100. Now I have taken X as 0. What will be a Y? 100. Now you will think how we will plot the 100 on a number line. Now according to our given values at the total is 100, we will just change the scale on x-axis and y-axis. We will take the 1 unit equal to what? 10. Rupees 10, and we will draw the graph. Okay, so that's why I have taken 0. Then total is 100, so y will become 100 and your coordinates will become as what? 0, 100. Now second I have taken 45, 45. Purposely I have taken. Is it correct, children? Just check it. Is it correct? 45 and 45. 45 plus 45 is 100. No. So please don't do such a type of mistake in an exam. What will happen if you draw 45 and 45 on a graph? Yes, you will get a coordinate of point, but the line will not pass through that. Yes, so the total should be 100. So you can take 55 and 45, or simply you take it as 50 and 50. Yes, I will just show you this one also with the 45 and 45, what you will get the answer on a graph. Okay, so your point should be 50, 50. So, and the next one I have taken as 100, 0. Okay, 100, 0 is your point. Now let us plot these points on a graph paper and see the graphical interpretation of this linear equation. Can you see over here? Yes, 0, 100. Can you see the point? Yes. 0, 100 point is here. Then 100, 0 is here. Where is 50, 50? So 50 is in between here and here. So you can see here as this is 50, 50. Now as I have shown you on a table, I have taken 45, 45. Can you see that point lie on your graph? Yes, on that straight line. See here where the 45, 45 will come. This is 45 in between. Yes, and if you take somewhere here as 45, it will not lie. Yes, this is 40 and 60 is given. So here if I will take it as 45, here and here somewhere here your point will come. Okay, now most important point over here. Here I have taken a scale as 1 centimeter equal to 20. Can you see over here? Yes, I have taken as 1 unit equal to 20 rupees. Now, when you will draw the graph, you may take as 1 unit. Yes, you can take as 1 unit is equal to rupees 10 also. So, you can take 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. And draw the graph. You will get the same one. Again, the second point you can see I have taken only one quadrant over here. Why I have not taken the other one? Because what is there? It is given in the rupees. Rupees can be negative. No x as well as y. You can't take any one of the value as negative. So both x and y coordinate will be positive. Therefore, I have taken only the first quadrant. So second, third and fourth, if you will not take it, then also it is correct. So your graph will represent only in a positive part. So now similarly, if you want, you can take a different values. Yes, different coordinates you can take it here as 80-20 point. You can take it as 60-40 point or 40-60 point, and anywhere. Yes, all the points will lie on a straight line, but see to that their sum will become as 100. So this is nothing but our graphical interpretation of given word example. Okay, so here we are completed with linear equation in two variable, and now the next time we will start with the revision and which type of questions can be asked regarding these all, that we will discuss in our next period. Thank you.